In Georgia, 6,677 people have died with the virus. 73 of those deaths were reported today. Even though they have seen the average numbers of new cases drop weekly, the death rate still remains very high. Hospitalization also remains steady with about 1,400 active patients each and every day. And we haven't dipped below that number since early June. And with testing down dramatically, it's another sign that only those who are seriously ill are taking the time to find out if they do indeed have the virus.